Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is going to be my first beauty unboxing for April and it's the Asos box. And this is what it looks like. So if you're new to the Asos beauty box, I will give you a quick lowdown about what it's all about. But if you've seen it all before and you just want to see the contents inside this box, I will link a timestamp down below in the comments so you're free to flick forward. So the Asos beauty box then, it's not a subscription box, it's a box that you just buy whenever you want it. So over the last year, 18 months or so, Asos have been bringing out these beauty boxes on a monthly basis. Now they cost £12 a box unless they do like a special edition, like a Clinique edition or a Bobbi Brown edition, then the price goes up to £15. Postage and packaging costs £3, or you could do what I do and pay £10 for the whole year, and that entitles you to free next day delivery. And because I get these boxes every single month, that is a huge saving for me. This box also ships out of the UK. I'm not sure if they ship completely worldwide, but there is a lot of countries that they do ship to. If I can find a list, I will link that down in the description. Also in the description, I'll pop a link to this box if you're interested in getting it yourself. So just click on the show more and that will bring up description, and all information and everything will be listed down there. So it's not a subscription box. You just go online. If you like the box, then you can buy it and that's it. You can buy 1, 2, 3, it's up to you. It's up to you. But you get to see the items, so it's not a surprise box. So they show you the items online. So maybe one month you might go on and you go, nah, for instance, this box, it might not interest you, so you might skip that. It's worth checking to see the type of boxes they do because they have brought out amazing ones, really, really good boxes. So this month's theme is self-tanning. So it's all to do with tanning and sun. So I'm going to be opening this up and show you. But before I do that, I just want to say that there's no particular date that they bring these boxes out, which can be a little frustrating to not knowing this, because especially if like me, you tend to get this every month, you just want to know when it's coming. You don't want to miss it because they sell out super fast within a couple of days. It depends on the edit, so if it's a well-known brand, then yeah, it could sell out within a day or two, so you have to be quick. You can sign up for notifications on Instagram and you can sign up to their newsletter, I believe, and you're supposed to get notifications that way. Thankfully, I have a few of you that message me and say, Claire, have you seen this? I noticed you haven't posted it up on your Facebook page yet. So, you know, it's on, it's released. There's a box that's been released. So I get these messages and then I obviously go online, I buy one, and then I put that information on my Facebook page, which is the same name as this channel, Diary of a Beauty Geek, and to let you lot know. So as soon as I know, within a couple of minutes, it's on my Facebook page as well. So yeah, so far so good. I haven't had a month where I haven't been able to get a box. So thank you to you all that message me. Your stars, brilliant. So let's open this up and show you what's inside. So we get a little card and it tells you about the products, but not in detail. They also don't tell you the pricing. So I'll be popping that on the screen as we go through because I like to know the actual value of the box. So it says summer, is that you? It looks like warmer climes are finally in sight, and we've got everything you need to start building up that healthy natural tan and look after your skin while you're at it. Everyone knows well-nourished skin, perfect tan, and the Tan Luxe Illuminating Tanning Butter has got you covered, keeping your skin hydrated and bronzed all at once. If you need a tan on the go, try the Vita Liberata Phenomenal Tan Infused Cloths. They're a fun tanning hack and easy to pack in your suitcase, but if you've got more time to spend perfecting that glow, go in with the Bondi Self Tan Foam for a really enriched colour. After a fun-filled day in the sun, don't forget to end it with the Ultra Sun After Sun Gel. To avoid post-holiday blues and keep that just back from a month in the med glow, use a Tropez Purity face mist before or after you apply your makeup. For your information, it can be used as a setting spray too. Wow, I didn't know that. So now you're beach ready. So that's all the information there, and those are all the items. So the first item then is Bondi Sands, and this is self-tanning foam in dark. which is good. I like, it depends though, doesn't it? If you're super pale, this might scare the heck out of you. So yeah, I suppose it's not going to be the sort of box to suit everyone's needs. So so I'll stop blabbing. Self-tanning foam, dark, salon quality, coconut scent, Australian made, and this is 110 mils. So I've tried this. I'm not sure if this is the actual one I tried last year. I think it is, but not dark. And I did a video on it, and I'm quite pale skin. I might look a little bit tanned here because I've actually got a little bit of fake tan spray on, but the rest of me is white, really white. I'm really pale, and I found that Bondi Sands was lovely to apply. Really lovely product to apply. No streaks or anything that I can remember anyway. But it gave a natural all over glow, but it didn't give me a really nice deep tan. So I'm excited to try this, because when I do tan, especially if I tan before I go on holiday, I want to have a really deep tan, and then I top it up while I'm away then, either with like gradual tan moisturizers and things like that. But I did notice when I was reading the leaflet that there's tanning mitts in here, so I'm going to be interested to see that. So no, I'm really chuffed to have that and to try that, to see if that gives me the sort of dark tan that I like without looking orange. Don't want to look like an Oompa Loompa. No. So this next item is a Tropez Self Tan in Purity. Now I chose this, not this particular one, but I chose another one of these in my March's Latest in Beauty box, and I tried it over the last weekend and I loved it. I've still got it now. This is what I said, that I've got a fake tan spray on. I've still got it. If I show you there, I might be able to show. I got some strap marks there. My hair is hiding that nicely, I hope. Yeah. But yeah, it just gives a really nice glow. I put it on before I went to bed, and yeah, it's just really nice, really, really nice. The Tropez Purity range is an amazing range because it has a gorgeous scent. It doesn't have that disgusting self-tan spray. It's got like a tropical sort of scent. It's really nice. It's also gradual, so you're not going to be left with a massive streaky mess all over you. It's a gradual build-up sort of tan, and also you can apply it to the skin. It's clear. It's not going to transfer onto clothing. It's the sort of thing that you can put on and go about your day. So I do like this range, and I've yet to buy a full-size version of anything, but I am thinking of actually buying the full-size version of this, because I think this spray is just easy, isn't it? No rubbing in, nothing, it's just easy. So that's that item. Then we've got a Ultra Sun After Sun Cooling and Moisturising After Sun Gel for sensitive skin with Aqua Rich. So that's what it looks like there. And it's 100 mils. Now, After Sun isn't something I usually use. Whenever I go on holiday or anything, or if it's really sunny, like last year in the UK, that was super sunny. We had really warm summer. I'm factor 50, so I don't naturally tan then because I've had skin cancer, so I am super, super careful about my skin and going out in the sun and everything, so I never burn. I might get the odd little tiny little marks here and there, unfortunately, where like straps have rubbed off suntan lotion and stuff, but generally I don't have a natural suntan, so I've never felt the need for an After Sun to cool down my suntan. I think this would be a handy product to have because there's 5 of us in the family, so yeah, so it might feel quite nice actually, just nice and cooling. We're going to Greece in July, so yeah, I can imagine maybe at night just putting it on the skin. If it's really, really hot, it'd be nice and cool. So no, so that's that item there. Does it say any information? Fast absorbing, non-greasy, non-sticky, After Sun Gel with Aqua Rich. Moisturise and soothe up to 24 hours, gives an immediate cooling effect but also a long-lasting action. Wash away sun protection after sun exposure and apply After Sun as a body lotion. So next we've got a Tan Luxe the Butter, and this is illuminating tanning butter. It's gradual and it's 75 ml. Never heard of this brand before. Welcome to tailor-made tanning, ultra nourishing, quick drying, gradual tan with cocoa butter, shea butter and raspberry seed oil. No streaks, no smells, no drama. Apply to the skin in circular motions from head to toe. Caution, we advise your patch test before 24 hours before use. Do not apply on broken or irritated skin, and avoid contact with eyes and so on. So, oh right, okay then. So it's a gradual tan. I love them because obviously you've got more control. You've got more control over the shade. You've got more control over you know, creating mess on your ankles and elbows and everywhere else I do it. So I think, no, I'm quite excited to try that. It'd be nice. It doesn't say anything about the sort of shading though, so I don't know, maybe it's super gradual and you just build it up that way. So the last product then is the product that I'm really excited about. Vita Liberata Advanced Organics, phenomenal, up to 10 days from one application. Up to 10 days from one application. Organic tan infused cloth for face and body, 2 times 9 ml. Not even if I went to a beauty salon and had a fake tan, they never last 10 days, never. And I do, you know, I moisturise, I make sure I exfoliate beforehand, I moisturise, I apply fake tanning, gradual tans while I'm away and stuff, but still, wow, up to 10 days from one application. So what do they look like then? So you've got 2 there. It says remove cloth from the sachet and wipe onto clean exfoliated skin in large circular movements. Use a clean damp cloth to remove excess tan from your heels, of your hands, knuckles, elbows, knees and sides of the feet. Wash hands thoroughly and immediately afterwards. Allow 4 to 8 hours for your tan to fully develop. Tanning time and colour develop may vary. I'm really excited to learn a little bit more about this. I've never seen it before, never heard of it before, but yeah, up to 10 days from one application. That is some feat, isn't it? So I'm going to be looking to see how much it costs firstly, and to see if I can find any reviews, to see if other people on YouTube have used them, or I can see some blogs online or something, because I think that'd be quite handy. Look, it's small. It's like a size of a chocolate bar. 2 mitts in there, or 2 cloths in there, easily put in my handbag and easy to top up on the go whatever I'm doing. So no, I'm really chuffed at that. So I'm just going to grab all the items and bring them back to you. So we've got 5 products in all. We've got the Bondi Sands tanning foam, we've got the Vita Liberata tanning cloths, we've got the Tan Luxe, the butter gradual tanning cream, and we've got Tropez Purity facial mist, tanning facial mist, and we've got an After Sun by Ultra Skin. So I think a really lovely box if you're into your fake tanning. I'm really excited to buy it because I fake tan, and I think there's some really great products here. I'm really chuffed to have this. I'm really chuffed to have another one of these as well because I really like it. And yeah, curious to see what that gradual tan is like and learn a little bit more about this as well. And yeah, the After Sun, I'm sure that will be come in handy and cool our skin down when we go to Greece. So those are all the items. So as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. Had you heard of Asos box before? Is this the first time you've heard that Asos do these monthly beauty boxes? I'd love to know your thoughts on that. Do you think it's a good theme, or do you think that it's a bit meh? All your opinions I'd love to know. So I hope you had enjoyed watching. Excuse me being a little bit extra chatty. I've had a few more coffees than I should have done this morning, but so I'm aware I'm talking quite a bit. So I hope you enjoyed watching regardless. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care and I'll speak soon. Bye.